For its 100th anniversary, Bang & Olufsen hasn't just refreshed a speaker. It has redefined what a flagship can be. Meet the Beolab 90 Titan Edition, an acoustic masterpiece forged in metal and engineered for the extraordinary. The first thing you notice is what's missing: fabric. In its place, a bold, sculptural aluminum enclosure that exposes all 18 precision-tuned drivers. Each curve, each angle, each line, meticulously shaped, sandblasted, and hand-finished in Denmark. This isn't just a speaker, it's craftsmanship made visible. A laser-engraved marker confirms its limited edition status, one of only 5 special versions celebrating a century of innovation. Inside, the Titan Edition carries the same thunderous technology as the original Beolab 90, still one of the most advanced loudspeakers ever built. A massive 330mm woofer, 3 additional 254mm woofers, each one powered by its own 1000-watt Class D amplifier. And that's only the beginning. 7 114mm mid-range drivers, 7 25mm tweeters, each backed by a 300-watt amp. This orchestration of engineering delivers a staggering 8,200 watts from a single Beolab 90. The result? A frequency range stretching from a floor-shaking 12 Hz to a crystalline 43 kHz. And with intelligent room adaptation, the speaker analyzes your space, then automatically tailors its sound to perfection. No matter where you place it, no matter where you sit. It's as much a statement sculpture as it is an audio system, commanding attention at every angle and delivering sound with precision, scale, and purity rarely found outside of a mastering studio. The Titan Edition is the first of 5 limited designs to mark Bang & Olufsen's centennial. Availability has begun, though pricing remains under wraps. For reference, the standard Beolab 90 retails at over €167,000 per pair. Luxury, craftsmanship, and raw acoustic power. This is Bang & Olufsen celebrating 100 years in titanium. A century of sound. A new chapter begins.